Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, whoa! Oh! Nah, he did it to himself. He... Yep, I saw that shit all happen.
Bitch shit on my face, ice. Choose up, let John up in a pack him. To my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt, smoking cat piss. Lil' bitch, fuck up, tell your best friend. Good, hey, lil' shut the fuck up, tell your best friend. Shut the fuck up, hey.
Exit onto Homer Drive.
You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Fucking with a nigga like me,
Exit the traffic circle onto Homer Drive, then use the left lane to take the Alaska 1 South ramp.
And buys an $87 long sleeve jumpsuit with her debit card. How much does it cost her? Ignacio? Hey? No. No. Maddie? Excellent. Miley goes to Aritzia and buys an $87 long sleeve jumpsuit with her debit card. How much does it cost her? Ignacio? Hey?
I gave signals that I'm getting ready to back into my driveway. Why are you following me in a residential neighborhood? That's not the road.
the road and my similar to me the size when I'm facing my picture perfect and doing the vibe. All of that yeah, I just can't you divide me with the
The Bengal famine of 1943. Winston Churchill. Back in 1943, Bengal, across parts of India and Bangladesh, was under the rule of Great Britain.
He might be an icon in Britain, but in India, he is of mass.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! It's so beautiful. Yeah, I remember because it's been like 3 or 4 days.
I almost missed the turn. Alright. Let me figure out where is he. Whoa! Jeez. That guy's gonna do it. Holy shit.
Just behind you?
Yeah, that was the guy that's been following me.
Yeah.
You have ice? This car does not turn. I knew they were gonna turn.
Interview calls ही नहीं है, वही नहीं करूँगा। ओए, ओए। क्या लंड इंसान है क्या? बाकी चूत इसकी।
Like ignorant of the way that the American system of journalism, of our freedom, they don't have this concept. They think that journalists pay for stories. It really pissed me off. And of course I didn't show that. I told him, I said, hey, what do you think I'm worth? I said, I don't know anybody.
Talking things out because it's a really serious thing, at least in my mind, and I think the minds of the people who I was on this jury with, to convict somebody of a crime, especially when you know that it comes with potential confinement. That was not our job. We didn't do anything. We had no purpose to say.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.